The day has finally come, guys. Bitcoin is at a new all-time high. I told you guys, okay, I literally have been telling you guys that Bitcoin will eventually be reaching a new all-time high, right? For the past few weeks, even for the past few months, I've just been telling you guys, Bitcoin will be reaching a new high. Okay, I know a fair few people out there, okay, when we saw Bitcoin reaching $109,000, okay, and then it did drop right after that, okay, a lot of people thought, 109 is the top for Bitcoin. That's the top, and now Bitcoin's going down and we're entering a bear market. But I told you guys many times, we're not entering a bear market. We are still in a bull market, okay, and it's normal to see pullbacks. It's normal to see corrections even during a bull market. Okay, we have seen many corrections, during bull markets back 2017, during that bull market, even back in 2021, right? During that bull market, we saw a lot of pullbacks and corrections, guys. Understand it is completely normal and healthy to see corrections during a bull market. Understand that, guys, okay? It's not going to go up forever. Okay, so yes, guys, today Bitcoin has in fact reached a new all-time high. Okay, earlier this morning we did in fact see Bitcoin going up to 109, back up to its previous highs, and it didn't stop there. Okay, it went all the way to $110,000, but guess what? It didn't stop there, guys. Bitcoin broke $111,000, guys. Okay, so here we are. Bitcoin is now officially at a new all-time high. Man, I told you guys, okay, I literally have been telling you guys that this day would come, and here we are. Okay, here we are, guys. So I hope you guys didn't lose faith for Bitcoin. I hope you guys are still buying and simply, most importantly, holding your Bitcoins. Because understand, guys, if you understand where Bitcoin is heading in the future, why it's a hedge against inflation, why it has store of value, then you would not be selling your Bitcoins right now. Okay, understand that, guys, right? So understand, I hope you guys are still holding your Bitcoins, okay? And I hope you guys are still, holding your Bitcoins for longer, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is now officially at a new all-time high. This is absolutely amazing to see. So yeah, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you guys can clearly see for the past few days, Bitcoin has in fact been going up, right? You guys can clearly see that, okay, as we all know. And yeah, just recently, okay, earlier this morning, we did actually see Bitcoin reaching a new high. Okay, it went all the way to $110,000, and then guess what? It didn't stop there. It went to $111,000. It actually almost reached $112,000. It went up all the way as high as 111,900. Okay, so almost $112,000. I mean, I would not be surprised, okay, if in the next few hours by tonight, if we actually do see Bitcoin reaching a new high of 112 to 113. Okay, it is very, very possible, guys. So yeah, it's amazing to see that Bitcoin has officially reached a new all-time high, okay, of $111,000 as of right now. So I told you guys this day would come, and here we are. Okay, so the crypto market today is looking pretty good. Of course, Bitcoin is up over 3%. Okay, for the week it's up almost 9%, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Ethereum is slightly up today, nothing too crazy. I feel like altcoins are not really moving. Okay, you guys clearly see that. Like Cardano's up 4%, Chainlink is up 2%, Sui is up over 4%. Okay, Avalanche 5%. Hyperliquid is up almost 16% today, looking pretty good. Okay, this alt has in fact been going up, but on that, okay, some alts are not really moving as much, guys. Okay, you guys clearly see that. Casper today is up over 2%, nothing too crazy. But yeah, Bitcoin is on the move, guys. Okay, I mean, as we know, for the past few weeks, Bitcoin has been moving. Okay, so you have to clearly see for the month, Bitcoin is up 26%. So it is looking pretty good for Bitcoin, right? It really, really is, guys. Okay, and the Bitcoin monthly returns so far this month in May, okay, we are up over 18%. Okay, over 18%. So looking pretty good for Bitcoin. I told you guys that I really do believe in this month of May, we will see Bitcoin going to maybe in the 20% zone, maybe even in the 30% zone. I think that is very, very possible for Bitcoin, right? We still have over a week left into this month of May, so we will see where Bitcoin will be heading. Okay, but I really do believe this month we will obviously see Bitcoin ending it off in the greens. Okay, and so far it's looking pretty good. Like we are up almost 20%, guys. So looking pretty good for Bitcoin for this month in May. Q2 so far for Bitcoin looking pretty good. Okay, it's gone up 35%, looking absolutely amazing, catching up to Ethereum. Ethereum's up over 43% for Q2 for this year in 2025. So yeah, Bitcoin is slowly, catching up to Ethereum. So, it is looking pretty good for Q2 for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I do believe, like I said, Q3 and Q4 will be some, amazing times for Bitcoin and crypto, right? I really, really do, guys. So since Bitcoin has officially reached a new all-time high, this means, guys, okay, what this means is it's not going to stop. Okay, when Bitcoin moves, it's going to go much, much higher, guys. Okay, so understand Bitcoin could test $120,000 in a matter of weeks. Okay, and I agree. Okay, I do agree that this can potentially happen for Bitcoin. Okay, in the next upcoming few weeks, we can see Bitcoin continuing to go higher. Okay, right now it's at $111,000. Eventually, it'll be reaching 112, 115, 120, and higher. Okay, in the next few weeks, guys, it is very, very possible that we do see that happening. Okay, and I've been telling you guys, right? I've been telling you guys for so long now that we will see Bitcoin reaching 150. I've been telling you guys my, personal Bitcoin price prediction that I do see Bitcoin reaching, 150, 180 to even $200,000 and higher. And guess what? If we do see a super cycle happening, then Bitcoin can go way higher than just 200K. Okay, it can go to 250 to 280 to even 300K and beyond. It is very, very possible that we do see Bitcoin reaching those price targets. But understand, okay, yes, okay, in the next upcoming few weeks, all right, short term, Bitcoin's going to be reaching 120, and it's not going to stop there. It's going to go to 130, 150, and higher. Okay, 200K is coming, guys. Okay, and yes, this chart just clearly shows you guys that the top is not in yet. Okay, like for the past few weeks, past few months, man, I've been showing you guys a lot of Bitcoin charts, just showing you guys and indicating, right, that the top is not in yet for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be going much, much higher. Okay, so this is going to be Bitcoin's fourth huge bull run. Okay, and it's going to start. Okay, and it's pretty much starting, guys. Like, it's already at a new all-time high, and it's not going to stop, guys. Bitcoin is going to be shooting up, right, even more. So Bitcoin holders, get ready for Bitcoin to skyrocket to 150 to 200K to 300K and higher. It is very, very possible that we do see Bitcoin, okay, at 200K and beyond. Okay, it is very, very possible. Please understand that, guys, right? Now, Andrew Tate said this, okay, Bitcoin is going to $200,000 minimum this year. And I agree, right? I 100% I agree with him here. Okay, as I've been telling you guys, Bitcoin will be reaching 200K at least. Okay, at least, right? And guess what? It can go way higher than that. Okay, it can happen, guys. Bitcoin can for sure skyrocket way higher than just $200,000. Okay, so Bitcoin holders, be prepared for that. Now, I want to show you guys this because I read this article and it's actually quite interesting. Okay, so it says here, Bitcoin breaks new all-time highs as Bitcoin ownership in the US surpasses gold, becomes America's emerging reserve asset. So pretty much, guys, okay, people are owning more Bitcoin than gold. This just tells you guys something. Okay, this just tells you guys something. Okay, a couple years back, it wasn't like this, right? More people owned gold than Bitcoin, but now, okay, the ownership of Bitcoin versus gold, Bitcoin is much, much higher, right? So people, okay, in America, they are owning more Bitcoin than gold. Okay, they're now understanding where Bitcoin is heading, why Bitcoin is digital gold, and why Bitcoin is a much, much better investment, right? Long term than gold, right? Why Bitcoin is the best, why it's much, much better than gold. People are obviously moving, okay, their money into Bitcoin, right, rather than gold, guys. Okay, understand that. So this is very bullish, of course. Okay, I mean, as we know, guys, Bitcoin adoption is happening. Okay, a lot of countries, states, governments, okay, companies, institutions, they're buying Bitcoin. Okay, they are adopting Bitcoin. We are seeing that a lot nowadays, guys. Okay, so understand we have the ETFs happening. I mean, we already saw that happening right over a year ago. Okay, that's nothing new for the Bitcoin ETFs. But just recently, a couple months back, okay, we saw the Bitcoin strategic reserve happening. That's huge. So you guys clearly see the Bitcoin adoption is going up, right? I understand that. So it's understandable why people, okay, especially in America, are owning more Bitcoin than gold. They are understanding. They are finally understanding, why Bitcoin is the better investment here, especially long term, right? It's a safe haven, right? It really, really is, guys. It's a safe net. Okay, Bitcoin is truly the best. Okay, if you want to build wealth, okay, if you want to beat inflation, you want to be, be a hedge against inflation, you want to have stored value, Bitcoin is the best bet. Okay, so that's why I've been telling guys to buy Bitcoin, right? You can't go wrong here, especially long term. Like, you cannot lose here, guys, by just simply buying and holding Bitcoin, owning Bitcoin, right? You cannot lose. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. But yeah, it is absolutely amazing to see Bitcoin at a new all-time high, $111,000. I will keep you guys up to date and see if Bitcoin can reach to a new high, right, of 112, 113. We will see. But yeah, I will obviously, keep you guys up to date. So stay tuned. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.